Welcome to the HSL tutorial Information 101 series on finding a book. My goal here today is to show you how to locate a book in our collection from either NIMCAD, also known as our online catalog, the Search Everything function, which is on the front of our library homepage, the eBooks portal, and the databases. A good place to start your search for a book would be the library's online catalog, also known as NIMCAD, which is located right on the library homepage. One of the advantages of using NIMCAD is that you will find everything, either print or electronic, in the library. So what I'm going to do first to narrow my search results is select the title field to search. And then I'm going to enter my term. Hit the search button, and I have my results. Now, as you can see, I have a fairly large number of results. So what I can do is come over to the left-hand side where there are filters, click on books, and in this case, it narrowed down at least a little bit. And you'll notice that our first two results, one is clearly labeled electronic resource and tells you the database that is available, additionally providing you with a link to that ebook. Below it is another entry with a call number, but there is no electronic version, but it does provide you again with the call number so that you can easily locate that on the shelf. Our next option is the HSL Discovery Search. Again, in the center of the page, this is a good starting off point. If you have absolutely no idea what you're looking for, it will show you everything in the library and include, books, films, anything there. So again, we're going to enter our search term, and you also know there's an advanced search function there that can be useful as well. But for right now, we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to enter in our term. Click on the search button. And you can see we have an enormous amount of results. So again, we're going to come over to the left and add our filters. And in this case, say we just want eBooks. And that narrows it down. As you can see, we have a link for cell biology. And we can click on that and access the book. Also note below, cell biology did come up, but it's giving you the option, because we may not have access to it though, to request it through interlibrary loan. ILLiad, our interlibrary loan system, is free to all users in the NYMC community. There is another tutorial on that, which I highly recommend you look at and sign yourself up for that today. Our next search option is going to be the eBooks portal. And this is only going to show you our electronic holdings as opposed to what we saw in either the catalog or the search everything. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to narrow my options. I'm going to enter in my search term. And I have my list right here. And it tells you the title. It provides you, in this case, the Future of Public Health is available in 2 different places. Now, something to keep in mind with electronic books is that we receive them from numerous vendors, and each vendor has their own peculiarities. Some may allow you to download a chapter, some may allow you to download the book itself, some may only allow you to look at it online, some may require you to set up an account with them to do any of that. And that's going to vary from vendor to vendor. So be sure and check the help if you have any questions, or give your librarian a call. Our final option that we're going to look at is our databases page, located on the center of the library homepage. And as you can see, we have a couple of options here. We have eBook Central, eBook Collection, and there are others as well, but for the sake of time, we're just going to limit ourselves to eBook Collection. We are then going to enter our search term. And I think I'm going to option that in the title again, just to narrow things down. There are other filters here if I wanted to, if I knew what I was looking specifically, or a language, but I'm just going to go with that. And here we go. I have epidemiology, EPUB full text. It will allow you to download. You can look at the table of contents, and they've got a link, most relevant pages from this ebook. Again, different vendors are going to have different formats and rules, so please be sure to look carefully with what you're working for. If you still can't find what you're looking for after trying all these methods, we may not own the book, but again, as I mentioned previously, we can do an interlibrary loan for you. And if you need further assistance, do not hesitate to call the library, and we'll be more than happy to help you get what you're after.